let's see this question, and the question says that statement 1, energy of the orbitals increases as 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, and 4f. And then the statement 2 is energy of the electron in an orbital depends both on the principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number. Now you have to tell that either both of the statements are correct or one is correct and other is incorrect. So let's solve this question. Firstly, the key concept that we will be using here is energy of orbitals. It depends on principal quantum number that is n. Secondly, it depends on azimuthal quantum number. That is L. Right. Now, if we will look upon this order, so 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p and so on. सबसे पहले आपको n की वैल्यू देखनी है. जितनी ज्यादा n की वैल्यू होगी उतनी ज्यादा एनर्जी होगी. So 2n equal to 2 and n equal to 1. So definitely जिसमें n की वैल्यू ज्यादा है that will be having higher energy than the lower one. So energy of 2s will be more than 1s. But in case अगर हमारी दोनों ही n की वैल्यू सेम है and the value of L is different, so in that case you have to follow n plus L rule. Now in this case जिसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा होगी n plus L करके that will be your more energy orbital. So if I consider 2s and 2p, so for this 2s n equal to 2 and L equal to 0, and for 2p n equal to 2 and L equal to 1. So in this case n plus L value is more for 2p, and so therefore 2p orbital will be having higher energy. Right? So the order of this energy of the orbitals will be as 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, and so on. But in statement 1, the order that is given to you is wrong. And then the statement 2 is energy of the electron in an orbital depends both on principal quantum number. Yes, it is absolutely right. It is depending on n. And further, it is given as the azimuthal quantum number. That is the value of L. So both are correct. So in this case, statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. And so D option is your correct answer.